Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I am going to show you how to insert the SIM cards on your Motorola Razr 2025, Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 or the Razr 60 Ultra or any of the Moto Razr smartphone. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here I got the Moto Razr Ultra or the Razr 60 Ultra, and here I got the Moto Razr or the Razr 60. All of these Moto Razr smartphones, they come with the nano SIM card slot, so make sure that you got a nano SIM card and the SIM card tray ejector pin that comes in the retail box. The method is exactly same. The very first thing you have to do is locate the SIM card tray slot. So on Moto Razr 2025 or the Moto Razr 60, the SIM card tray slot on the left hand side on the frame, and on Moto Razr Ultra 2025 or the Razr 60 Ultra, it's at the bottom right next to the USB Type-C port. After locating the SIM card tray slot, all you have to do is insert the SIM card tray ejector pin in the tiny hole here on the SIM card tray slot. So here is that hole on Moto Razr, and here on the Moto Razr Ultra. Keep in mind that there is a microphone right next to it. You don't have to insert the pin in this, only in this tiny hole on this tray. So just put this pin inside this hole on the SIM card tray and just apply a bit of pressure like this, and the SIM card tray will pop out. Now just take it out. The same thing you can do on Moto Razr 2025 as well. All you have to do is put this pin in this tiny hole here, then apply a bit of pressure, and then it will pop out. Now here on the SIM card tray slot, you can see the shape of the SIM card is mentioned. It says face up. Now all you have to do is follow the same shape printed on the SIM card tray. Just put it like this as it says face up. Here we go. And if you got one of those versions that comes with dual SIM card slot, then you will find the same stuff on the bottom. My unit comes with single physical SIM card slot, so you just need to put it like this. Now you need to put this tray back in the slot. Now this time what you have to do is you need to align this tiny hole here with the hole of the slot. So just make sure that you are putting it like this. After that, just slide it in. Now if we have a look at the top here, you can see now the network is coming, and message came from my service provider as well. And now if I go to the settings, then go to the network and internet, then go to SIM and mobile network. You can see my SIM card is being detected. It is showing the name of the network provider, my phone number as well, that is hidden. If you tap on this part, SIM for mobile data, then you can turn on or off the mobile data. You can turn on or off the data saver. So this is how you can insert the SIM card on your Moto Razr 2025, Razr Ultra 2025 or any of the Motorola Razr smartphones. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.